Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, still Wednesday, November the 25th, 2020. We have here the third Sudoku, a binary. Yes, it's a binary. Let me position the camera. A binary puzzle, and this will be number 1936. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1 2 3 4 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Now we have 4 O's in this row. So the only box left is for the 1 here. 1 2 3 4 1's, 1 2 3 4 O's. Alright, double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 1's comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1, double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then a double 1, here and O, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there no. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Now we have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Then. Let me see. 3. Well. We need to compare. But let me see which this row, the third row and the 6th row. 1 1 O 1 O, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Now we have 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. Then between a 1 and an O, there's always a 1 or an O. And an O, yes. So we have here 3 O's plus 1 makes 4 O's. So this should be a 1. Yes. Do we need to compare again? That's the question. Let me see. Double 1, here and O, there no. Overlooked. I've overlooked. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Here same 1 and an O. Here between 1 2 3 4 4 1's, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Alright, so I need to find here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Need to compare. Almost the same, the second one and this one. 101, 1100. Almost the same. I need to compare the columns, I think. Do we have... Yes! The fourth column and the last column. 001111000011 empty box. Well, we need to switch those two boxes. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. So finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.